Gather around the table, roll the die, challenge yourself and your team to a life-changing experience as you play the John Maxwell Team Leadership Game, a game designed to lower the barriers to honest evaluation of leadership within your company.
Playing the leadership game is probably one of the fastest ways to break down barriers between people on any kind of team.
When I first heard that we were playing a leadership board game, I really had no idea what to expect.
The game itself makes you very comfortable about being open.
When I heard that we were going to be doing a leadership game, I was a little skeptical, but the feedback and just the traction in such a short amount of time has been amazing.
I really feel that people learn best when they're having fun.
It was so engaging, just like an actual board game, except the benefit was actual real-time interaction with people that you care about.
It was pretty incredible to see how just sharing our answers to what seemed like simple questions could really bring up things that many of us had maybe never thought about or never even said, perhaps.
I got to really start to identify some of the rising stars on my team that I felt have been really ignored.
They were engaged. They did not even check their cell phones.
And the way they answered some of the questions, I thought, wow, I need to start sewing into their life a little bit more and promoting them.
Our table is crying, we're laughing, we're sharing with each other.
This connects people and allows them to communicate in a way that they just don't do without sitting down around a table in this game setting.
If you're considering playing a leadership game at your company, it's a must.
We have never done anything like this.
You have to have it for your company. It's going to help you figure out your employees. It's going to help you figure out yourself and make the right decisions in your business.
Raise your collective potential. The John Maxwell Team Leadership Game. Blow the lid off.